Do you own a home in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and want to avoid the stress and hassle of listing with a realtor? Are you tired of keeping up with repairs on your home and want a fast and easy way to sell? It's now possible with Cream City Home Buyers. We're the premier real estate solutions company in Milwaukee. We're not realtors, we're cash home buyers, which means we can close fast, sometimes in as little as 10 days. Here's how it works. First, visit our website and tell us about your home, or give us a call to speak to a friendly member of our team. Second, we'll review the details of your home and schedule a time to view the property that works best for you. Once we visit the home, we'll present you with a written cash offer that same day. Third, once you accept our offer, we schedule the closing date. We can close fast, or if you need more time, that's okay too. We work around your schedule. When you sell your home to us, there are no commissions, fees, or repairs needed. We handle all the paperwork and make sure the process is fast and easy. If you're ready to sell your house fast in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, visit our website at creamcityhomebuyers.com or give our team a call at 414-488-0082. We look forward to working with you.